Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make two different sweet and salty smoothie and the main ingredient is cantaloupe. Do you like cantaloupe? Well, I used to avoid all kind of melon, but when I diagnosed with hypothyroid, I started adding more low fiber fruits in my diet like cantaloupe and watermelon. Over the time, I tried many different combinations of cantaloupe smoothie, and today I'm gonna share two of my most favorite combination. Even if you don't like cantaloupe, I believe you still gonna like these smoothies. So let's get started our first smoothie. Both smoothies is ready now. I didn't use any extra sweetener because my cantaloupe was very sweet, but you can add sugar if you want. So tell me, which one you gonna make first? Oh wait, before you write the comment, make sure you subscribe my channel and hit the bell button. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Till then, stay happy and healthy.